Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Good morning to one and all. Today we, the students of class 11 science, got a precious chance to host today's virtual assembly. As we know, we can't start our day without remembering the Almighty. So we must pray to God every morning and thankful for all the blessings and everything in life. Today myself Muskan of class 11 science would like to welcome Nana for Gayatri Month. Thank you.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Thank you.
Oh my god, what is happening there? All the fans and lights are switched on. Guys, do you people also do the same thing at your home? Just think, what would you feel if someone let you on for the whole day and night? If we misuse our precious energy resources like petrol and water, then what would be left for our next generation? So, today's thought is wasted power will never come back. Save power, save environment. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मैं आदित्य कक्षा 11वीं का छात्र आपके सामने संस्कृत श्लोक प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। वाणी रसवंती यस्य यस्य श्रमवती क्रियाम लक्ष्मी दानवती यस्य सफल तस्य जीवनताम। अर्थात जो मनुष्य मीठी वाणी बोलता हो, जिसका काम श्रम से युक्त हो, जिसका धन दान में प्रयुक्त हो, उसका जीवन सफल है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone, myself Ritika of class 11 science wants to say a few words on National Energy Conservation Day. National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated every year by the people all over the India on 14th of December. The Conservation of Energy Act was executed by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency in the year 2001. National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated to aware the people about the importance of energy as well as saving or conserving more energy by using less energy. It is celebrated to send a message of conserving energy in every walk of life among people, promote people for less energy usage by neglecting the wastage use of energy, encourage people for efficient energy use in decreasing order for energy consumption and prevent the energy loss. Thank you and have a nice day.